This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file ITR self. Filing your income tax return can seem daunting, but with the right steps, it's straightforward. We will walk through the entire process, from understanding which form applies to you to successfully submitting your return online. This guide aims to simplify the experience, ensuring you feel confident and prepared. Let's get started on making your tax filing smooth and easy. Before you begin filing, gathering all your essential documents is crucial. You will need your permanent account number, or PAN, and your Aadhaar card. For salaried individuals, Form 16 from your employer is vital. Don't forget bank statements, investment proofs, and Form 26 as to verify tax deducted at source. Having these ready will streamline your online filing experience significantly. Now, let's dive into the online filing process. First, log in to the official income tax e-filing portal using your credentials. Next, carefully select the appropriate assessment year and the specific ITR form that applies to your income sources. Proceed to fill in all the required details, ensuring every piece of information is accurate. Double-checking your entries at this stage can prevent future complications. After filling out your return, take a moment to review all the entered data thoroughly. Check for any discrepancies or errors before proceeding. Once you are confident everything is correct, verify your return using options like Aadhaar OTP or net banking. This final step confirms your submission. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Your ITR is now filed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.